Hey there, are you dealing with the incoming call busy or user busy issues on your iPhone? No worries, I've got some easy solutions for you. Let's dive right in and fix that problem. Solution 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode. First, swipe down from the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on Focus. Now turn off Do Not Disturb mode from here. Solution 2. Turn off call forwarding. Open the Settings app and scroll down a bit. After that, tap on Phone. Then scroll down again. Tap on call forwarding. Make sure to turn it off. Also, find call waiting and ensure it's turned off as well. After that, try restarting your iPhone to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still having problems, move on to the next step. Solution 3. Update or reset. Open the Settings app, then scroll down a little. Next, tap on General. Scroll down again. After that, tap on Software Update. If there's a new software update available, go ahead and update it. If there's no update available, go back to the previous menu. Scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset All Settings. Doing this will erase your Wi-Fi passwords and restore your settings to default, which should solve your problem. If you have any questions or still need help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.